So, iPhone 7 repair. Don't be nervous about this, just take your time, take all the screws out, put them safely in order somewhere, then proceed to install your new LCD. Remove the top speaker and then remove the bottom home button. Put your new shield onto your new LCD with the top speaker correctly in place, and then proceed to put your home button in, and you're on your way. Easy peasy. Make sure your connections are clean, install your new LCD, check everything, and then you end up with one fixed iPhone 7.